What is up everyone, it's Mr. Fantastic here, and we've got our first hands-on look at the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra by the one and only Jon Prosser. Massive shout out to him. So the wardrobe design that was leaked recently is indeed confirmed, and the S22 Ultra is actually going to be more like a Galaxy Note with the rectangular shape and sharp corners. We're gonna have individually protruding cameras on the back without any camera bump, which makes it look quite similar to the Galaxy A32, which is a cheaper mid-range phone by Samsung. We can see the quad cameras, the 108 megapixel main, a 12 megapixel auto wide, a 10 megapixel 3x telephoto, a 10 megapixel 10x periscope, a laser autofocus sensor, and an LED flash. And they really look very clean and give off a really unique look. Not as good as the S21s, but I honestly think that it looks very robust and terrific. We can also see that it will for sure come with an S Pen inside the phone, and it apparently would have just 2 milliseconds of delay, which is just mind-blowing, and it means that it will have incredibly low latency and will work with little to no delay. We can also see the S Pen slot, the speaker grill, Type-C port, and the SIM tray at the bottom of it. And as we can see from the bottom, it is actually thicker, and that is because it has both a 5000 mAh battery and an S Pen, and I think that is also the reason why Samsung just removed the camera bump altogether and went for a clean and flat look, because adding a camera bump would have made it a lot more heavier. We can also see from this angle that there is little to no protrusion from the camera, so it won't rock on table, which is definitely a plus point. As for the front, we can see the beautiful AMOLED display, which is also curved. We can see the hole punch camera housing the selfie camera, but the strange thing is that it looks similar to the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, and the chin hasn't gotten any smaller, which is kind of a bummer. Not that it looks bad, but an upgrade would have been better. Also, we have the release dates leaked too. So the S21 FE will be released on January 4, 2022, and the Galaxy S22 series would be released on February 8, 2022. So first we thought that both will be released together, but Samsung will now have a different release schedule, which is definitely interesting. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think about it. Do you like the new design or not? Thanks for watching. Drop a like on this video, and if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe with that bell icon. I'll see you guys next time, and up until then, be fantastic.